The latest autumn update for Luminar NEO has just arrived, and they've done it again. My name is Miguel Azorín, and I welcome you once again to Natural Portraits. Let's take a look at what this new update brings. It's going to blow your mind. I'm taking this opportunity to remind you that the Luminar NEO course is already up and running, and you can enjoy it completely free on this channel and within the Natural Portraits Academy. The first episode is already available, and if you also sign up for free within the Natural Portraits Academy, you'll be able to take advantage of additional content and full editing sessions that we'll publish exclusively for course students in the Academy. Also, let me remind you that if you still don't have your Luminar NEO license, you can get it with a €10 discount by applying the code NATURAL at checkout. Luminar NEO is licensed software, not a subscription. You pay only once and you don't have to pay again, unless you want to upgrade to a future version of the software. So what's all the buzz about this new Luminar update? Well, Luminar has released some of the most powerful tools in the software so far, all in a single update. If we already had software that, thanks to its AI-powered tools, allowed us to achieve complete edits in just a few clicks, now we have the ability to automatically restore damaged photos, apply depth lighting. This literally blows your mind. There's greater multi-device integration, and you can even create online links to share your edits with clients. Let's move to the computer and I'll show you all of this. So here we are in Luminar NEO, and we're going to take a look at each of these new features that have been added to the program with this fall update. As you can see, I have a small selection of photos here that we'll use to test each of these new tools, and the first one we're going to work with is the new relighting tool. Let's take this image I have here. We'll go to edit. This is a photo from the island of La Palma of the Laurel Forest, which I took during the 2024 edition of the La Palma photo tour on a morning when we had some incredible fog. By the way, just a reminder that registration is open for the 2026 edition of this amazing trip. There's a link in the description so you can check it out. So this photo has already been edited in Luminar NEO, but let's see how with this new tool we can take it even a step further. And we have this tool right here. In the Creative Tools section, we have the Lighting Depth tool, which replaces the old Relight tool. Or basically, we could say it's a much more advanced version of the Relight tool. If we click on it, as you can see, the tool automatically performs a 3D scan of our photo. What we have here are the branches of these trees. In other words, it's detecting everything in the image using artificial intelligence. And this tool won't let us do anything until we start increasing the amount slider. From this moment on, this control is enabled here on this little screen, which allows us to move the lighting point exactly to the area we want. And you'll see how powerful this is. From the center, we can move it forward and backward, and from here we can narrow or expand the illuminated area. If I bring this over here to the central part, I'll increase this a lot more so it's easier to see. Notice how now the entire front part of the photo is illuminated. If I click on before and after, look how spectacularly this works. The relighting really does a great job for us. Notice that we don't have any edges, we don't have any strange artifacts. But even so, in some cases, we might end up with some slightly odd edges along the sides of the trees or the edges of the leaves. In this case, we can increase the smoothness slider so that effect becomes softer. If I take this and narrow it down and, for example, move it to the back area, we're going to light up the back part of the photo where we have all that fog. Look at what we can achieve with just one click. This is really just one click. It's truly impressive how this new depth lighting tool in Luminar NEO works. I would say that, along with the sun rays tool in this program, these are the two best AI-powered tools currently available in Luminar NEO. Likewise, from here, from the section of in the advanced settings, we have the old relight tools, near brightness and far brightness. From here, we can finish adjusting our image. If, for example, the front part has ended up too dark in this case, we can slightly relight it from here, or we can adjust the backlighting from here. In this case, since the part we are lighting is the back, we don't see any difference when moving this slider. But in this case, we can indeed affect the lighting of the front part of the photo. Personally, I have to say that with this image, as it is now, I would even lower the brightness a bit on the front part of the photo on that foreground. And just look at what a spectacular photo we've ended up with using this tool. I'm honestly amazed at how well this new AI-powered tool in Luminar NEO works. Let's see how it would work with another photo. Here I have this image of the Tatio geysers in the Atacama Desert in Chile. By the way, registration is open and we only have 3 spots left for the 2026 edition of this amazing trip. A landscape and astrophotography photo tour under the best night skies of the world, in the Atacama Desert, and in the Uyuni Salt Flats. Likewise, this photo has already been previously processed with Luminar NEO, but we're still going to go to Edit, head over to the Creative Tools, Depth of Lighting, and from here, notice that our image has already been scanned. I increase the amount a bit, and from here, we can also move the lighting backward and forward. And look at how precisely I can, for example, bring the lighting to this central part here to create that contrast between this geyser here, that other geyser over there, and the light coming in with those sun rays appearing over there by the mountain. If I bring the lighting here and increase the amount, look at the spectacular contrast I'm achieving in the photo. As you can see just with one click, but I can also narrow this, I can move it to the back, and here we can relight the entire back part of the mountains with the sun rays. And if the front part gets too dark, in fact we've lost a lot of contrast here, we can relight from here with the brightness close by, and look at how we can relight the photo, keeping that brightness in the front and relighting all this mist we have in the background. It's really incredible. It's spectacular how this tool works. Honestly, I'm amazed by the people at Luminar NEO, how they've managed to release this amazing tool in this new update. Let's move on to the other super powerful new feature that came with this autumn update, which is photo restoration. From here, in the generative tools, which we have inside the catalog, on the right side of the software, we have all the different generative tools, the HDR tool, focus stacking, panoramas, upscaling, and here a new generative tool has been added, which is restoration. Here I have 2 photos that I downloaded, 2 sample photos that I thought were quite deteriorated, especially this one here, which is a photo with very good resolution, as you can see, but it's quite damaged. Let's see how this tool allows us to restore it. Let's see what we can achieve. We simply drag the photo here, and as you can see, we have 3 restoration options. We can restore the scratches and damage on the photo without touching the color, we can restore the color, or we can do a complete restoration, color and scratches. Let's first select scratches. Let's try to keep the color of the image and see what we get. If we click here on restoration, let's see what it gives us. Well, here we already have the result. Let's take a look. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. Here we have the other photo, here is the original photo, and here is the restored photo. Look at this tear here, all these scratches, all these stains here on the lady's nose, these moisture stains, and here is the restored photo. I have to say, I find the result incredible, simply spectacular. I see the features, I see that everything in general, all this part here that was damaged, that had the tear in the original photo, I see it very well restored and in a very natural way. All this area here, we see how the program has restored it supernaturally, and really, the features, the face in general, the shape of the face, it's all perfect. For me, this photo would be ready to print and frame, for example, to keep as a memory at home, maybe of people, of family members. This could have happened to us with our photos, that they're damaged, and we want to fix them and have them at home, for example. Let's see what the program does if we ask it for a complete restoration. Let's go back here, drag this photo again, and now let's ask for a complete restoration. Well, here we have the fully restored photo, both light and color. I find it amazing, incredible what this program does. Here we have the restored photo without color retouching, and here is the image restored with color retouching. I think it's spectacular, simply spectacular. Let's look at the original. Here's the original photo, and here is the restored one with color retouching. I think it speaks for itself. I have nothing more to add because the result is simply spectacular. Let's see another example with another photo, which is this little dog I downloaded here. It's a photo, as you can see, of low resolution, very blurry, and with quite a few scratches. At first glance, it's a pretty bad photo. Let's see what it can do. We drag it here and ask for a complete restoration. Well, here it is, and I have to say it's very good. I think the restoration is really well done because not only has it fixed all the scratches, it has added color to the photo while keeping that old-time feel of the image, but now I see the image much more defined, with much more detail as if it were a higher resolution photo. Let's look at the original. Here's the original. Look at what we have here. A photo with lots of scratches, totally out of focus, and also very low resolution. You can clearly see the pixels here on the animal's outline. And if we go to the restored photo, look at how it has brought out the dog's fur, and the image overall gives the impression of much higher resolution. If I was amazed a moment ago by the depth lighting tool in this new update, I have to say that this photo restoration tool is just as impressive. I think it's spectacular. Now let's move on to the last feature that comes in this Luminar NEO update, which I find quite interesting: the ability to share our portfolio via links. So if we're professionals or just want to share an edit we've done with friends or anyone else, we can do it super easily with a link. Now if from here in the catalog we right-click on any photo, we have an option to publish in space. From here we click on New Space, and here we can say, for example, Photo Restoration. We publish, and it tells us that the space has been created. For now we only have this image, and here is the link it created for us, which we can copy, share on Facebook or Twitter, and if we now go to a browser or share that link with anyone, we paste it. And here we have the photo we've shared, or the photos we've shared, where not only do we have the photo itself, but also the photo's information. Notice that here we have the photo's information. In this case, it doesn't show any info because it's a downloaded photo, but if it were a raw file, it would give us all the details. And from here, we can download the photo. We could do this with any image. In fact, let's add this one as well. We go here to the space we just created, and now we have both images there. If we now go to this link, I'll refresh the page. And now we have both images here. Honestly, I think this is a super interesting feature, especially for professional users, since we can create folders to share, for example, with our clients so they can see how their project is progressing or how our professional editing work on their photos is coming along. I find this feature really interesting. In recent years, it's clear to me that the people at Luminar have really listened to their users, and every day they offer us more complete and powerful software. For me, it's without a doubt the best photo editing software on the market. Remember to use the code NATURAL when you make your purchase and sign up right now for our free course at the Natural Portraits Academy so you don't miss any of that additional content. And I'll see you again next week here at Natural Portraits. Goodbye.